I hope everyone's okay. Uh, Thanks for your support, and bye for now. So we'll give you an update after half an hour. But for now, I have to cover it because it starts drizzling. Okay, see you and see you after half an hour. So you can see the droplets of rain. So yeah, I have to cover it with plastics. So like what I said, I have to change the contour of this area. I have to apply like 8% grade all over the area to make a better runoff. And then in this area here, I'm going to pave it. Actually, I have started already on that corner. So yeah, after this, I'm going to apply paving on this remaining area inside this trellis. Okay, thank you, and bye for now, and please be safe. God bless everyone.